गोंयच्यान मुंबय वचपा खातीर बस आनी रेल्वेन प्रवास करताले. हो प्रवास करतना आमी सैमाचो आनंद घेताले. आतां बस आनी रेल्वे बरोबरच क्रूज जहाजाची सोय जाल्या. आतां दर्यांतल्यान गोंय आनी मुंबय प्रवास करपाक मेळटलो. आयतारा मुंबयच्यान 197 प्रवाशांक घेवन पयले आंग्रिया हे क्रूज जहाज गोंयान मुरगांवां एमपीटीच्या धाक्यार पावले. गोंय पर्यटन महामंडळान ताचें स्वागत केलें.
It's a great moment for Goa port. We are waiting for a long time now. Once it is started, we'll feel definitely there will be a lot of new things happens. We also got information that by December another 2-3 lines will start. Otherwise Indian people are going to foreign for a cruise. Now it's the opportunity for them to have cruise in India itself.
सागरमाला येवजणे सकयल आतां अश्यो क्रूज जहाज येत रावतली. आंग्रिया हे जहाज 3 दीस गोंयान येतले अशी माहिती आंग्रियाच्या कॅप्टनान दिल्या.
More will come actually because with Sagarmala facilities being provided, many cruises will come up now in future. Domestic cruises. We have such a vast coastline. We'll have many more coming in. Our group Angriya right now is focusing only on Goa, Mumbai, which is a very nostalgic route for Goans with Konkan Shakti and Konkan Sevak, which we are operating here, and the same atmosphere we are trying to create. Start your party from the fun, financial capital of the India to a fun capital of. Start your holiday the moment you board. Can come to Goa, continue to Goa, get back. Your holiday still continues till the time you get back.
It is one way or both sides?
No, we come one way, and the passenger can disembark, enjoy Goa, and whenever they want to take a return cruise back, they can take the return cruise back.